Hello everyone. Question is, how can a user achieve high availability for a web application hosted on AWS? Option A, use a classic load balancer across multiple AWS regions. Option B, use an application load balancer across multiple availability zones in one AWS region. Option C, set up automatic scaling and load balancing with another application instance running on premises. Option D, use the AWS region with the highest number of availability zones. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a user has an AWS account with a business level AWS support plan and needs assistance with handling a production service disruption. Which action should the user take? Option A, contact the dedicated AWS Technical Account Manager TAM. Option B, contact the dedicated AWS Concierge Support Team. Option C, open a business critical system down support case. Option D, open a production system down support case. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a company must process a large amount of data from social media accounts by making graphical queries with high throughput. Which AWS service will help the company design a cloud architecture that will meet these requirements? Option A, Amazon RDS. Option B, Amazon DynamoDB. Option C, Amazon Neptune. Option D, Amazon Redshift. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company spends several months upgrading its on-premises infrastructure every few years. The company wants to reduce infrastructure procurement time by migrating to the AWS cloud. What is the main benefit of migrating to the AWS cloud for this use case? Option A, AWS will help move the existing hardware to the AWS data centers. Option B, the company will have increased agility with on-demand access to IT resources. Option C, enterprise support will be available to help with recurring application installation and setup. Option D, the company will experience less downtime with multi-agent deployments. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a user can optimize Amazon EC2 costs by performing which of the following tasks? Choose two options. Option A, implementing auto-scaling groups to add and remove instances based on demand. Option B, creating a policy to restrict IAM users from creating new instances. Option C, setting a budget to limit spending on EC2 instances using AWS budgets. Option D, purchasing reserved instance. Option E, adding EC2 instances to a second AWS region that is geographically close to the end users. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is, which of the following are customer responsibilities under the AWS shared responsibility model? Choose two options. Option A, physical security of AWS facilities. Option B, configuration of security groups. Option C, encryption of customer data on AWS. Option D, management of AWS Lambda infrastructure. Option E, management of network throughput of each AWS region. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is, a company needs to perform a one-time migration of 40 TB of data from its on-premises storage servers to Amazon S3. The transfer must happen as quickly as possible while keeping costs to minimum. The company has 100 Mbps internet connectivity. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? Option A, AWS Snowball. Option B, AWS Direct Connect. Option C, AWS Storage Gateway. Option D, Amazon S3 Transfer Acceleration. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.